takes care of the cardiovascular system, that is the heart, and all the related organs, ensuring that the heart functions properly. Yes. It takes care of the nervous system, and it helps you to understand that, what is happening inside of you and then outside of you. If you step on a pin, you will know that you stepped on a pin. The nervous system helps you to understand your environment. Someone told us to come and turn off the AC earlier because they can't stay in here. The reason is because they understood, their body told them that the room is very cold. Yes, because your nervous system, your nervous system is working very well. That's why you're able to know that. Are we together? Yes, and then it also helps with the blood stream. It's also a very good blood purifier. It's a very good blood purifier. So if there is cholesterol in the blood, there's natural cholesterol in the body, there's also blood cholesterol. If you have cholesterol in the blood, this drug will take care of it. Yes, it's a blood cancer. So this is a very fantastic product. And that means if it's able to do that, all of these three things that I've mentioned, taking care of the heart to make sure it works very well, ensuring that the nervous system is working very well, and then the blood system is cleansed. Then if you are thinking of stroke, it shouldn't come near you. Yeah, so if you are using this product, stroke shouldn't be close to you, paralysis shouldn't be there, high blood pressure, all of these heart-related problems, nervous system problems, loss of memory, all of it does take care of it. Locally, I used to say that there's possibility that some of these mad people on the streets, if we can give them this source, give them good job, give them good place to sleep. In the next couple of days, they should fine. Yes, they will fine. All of them not be rich, not be rich. All of them. It's not rich. Some people are hungry and I just turn their brain upside down. Yes. Some people are thinking, they didn't know what stress. On them. So you can actually use this product with them and they will become very, very good. So this is a very fantastic product to use.